No, listen what I mean by that. You see the beauty that you see. You can put it on camera, but it's not the same because you're seeing it for your first. You seeing it in like these colors coming from a place that's all green. It's beautiful. It's wow. But if somebody never seen it and you put it on a camera, they can't really understand it. You know what I mean? They can't appreciate it. Like, this is beautiful. See the wind, the trees falling, the leaves falling. That's why they call it fall. You get to witness that.
I wanna experience that though. The one is like in Korea, Dad.
Which one?
They're gonna be white. The tree is gonna be white, and they have pink. You know, they call it like I don't know if that's a leaves or flower.
It's flower. That's the one they were doing in D.C. in Washington that time.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Still have now?
I don't know. I'm gonna ask Gabriel. I can't. Can you help me out? Read that.
2.8 State Route 686 Junk Road. Bless you.
Hold it.
Stays. It gets straight, then it keeps straight. 12. What's wrong? So hard-headed.
Say it again.
So hard-headed.
Yours.
Kobe sleepless and you coughing bad.
Look at that. What is that?
Oh, what is that? Careful, stay close. Roadwork. It's a truck.
What's the
2 miles.
You have experience to have snow, you know, and you have different colors of the leaves.
You know what'd be cool?
Hmm.
You're gonna go to school, right? If they still do it the way when he go to school, teacher take him out in the schoolyard and they go pick leaves and they come back and they color it and make animals or.
That's daddy job, do you know that?
No, I'm talking about they draw it.
You cannot teach them their experience, huh? Because
No, I'm telling you how they teach in school.
I know you.
They teach.
Bank Road exit toward Virginia 76 South.
Ooh, look at this. This one pa, Junker on exit here. Look at this yellow, red, orange, whatever is that color, but it's beautiful.
Take the State Route 686 exit.
Are you alright, Kobe Jane?
In 800 feet, turn right onto State Route 686 Jank Road.
Kobe reading? Oh my god.
Turn right onto State Route 686 Jank Road.
Turn right. Yep. Stop and right.
Continue on State Route 686 for 3/4 of a mile.
Just have fun the view, Nak. Cause next month we travel, it's gone. You're gonna be naked all the tree. Kobe reading all the time. Ha 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 ha. Kobe wanna learn. Kobe reading his book. Oh, what's that?
In a 1/4 mile, turn right.
Mommy sleep here, book. What's wrong there? You okay?